Here's a continuation of the house. So this is the front entrance, dining room, large bay window. It has its own storage closet. Beautiful, very bright, open concept living room and kitchen. This goes up to the loft upstairs. Nice high ceilings, lots of windows, and this is all tile throughout. Here's the kitchen. This goes right out to the pool. This has a boat lift. Can go right out to the harbor. Good sized pool, very big. And the second story has a balcony that overlooks the pool. There is a vacant lot to the side. This does have hurricane shutters. This is a breakfast nook. And this is the other side of the house. So this is one bedroom. Has carpeting. Here is the guest bathroom. Has a separate tub. And this has a tiled walk-in shower. This one has a hot tub room. Lots of mirrors, very bright, overlooks the water, and goes again right out to the pool. It does have intercom and surround sound. Let's see if I can get this cover up for you. Big hot tub. This can easily sit 6 or 7 people. Has a nice lounge seat. So we have 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So there is a loft area upstairs. With its own living room where they currently have a pool table. This also has a small kitchen. And there are 2 more bedrooms upstairs. This bedroom overlooks the front of the house and it has its own balcony. And here is the 4th bedroom, which also has access to the balcony that overlooks the pool. I hope these videos are helpful to you. These are beautiful homes. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you soon.